Today we are going to discuss about the topic sex determination. Okay, first, what is meant by sex determination? Sex determination is a mechanism which determines the individual to be a male or female based on their sex chromosomes. That is called sex determination. Okay, in the year 1891, Henkin traced a specific nucleus structure through spermatogenesis. Which method? Through spermatogenesis. In this research, he selected few insects only. Okay, first we have to learn what is meant by spermatogenesis. Development of spermatozoa from the germ cells of the seminiferous tubules is called spermatogenesis. Okay, development of spermatozoa. Okay, here what he found, okay, in this mechanism or through spermatogenesis, 50% of the sperms receive the special nucleus structure, whereas the rest did not receive the special structure. So, the Henkin gave the name X body. Okay, X body. Later it was called X chromosomes. First, Henkin gave the name X body. Later it was called X chromosomes. We know our body we have two type of chromosomes. One is the sex chromosomes and other one is the body chromosomes. Sex chromosomes are called allosomes and the body chromosomes are called autosomes. Here, based on allosomes, the parents consist of two type of cells. Okay, based on allosomes, the parents consist of two type of cells. One is for homogametic and other one is heterogametic. What are the two types? Homogametic and heterogametic. What is the meaning of homogametic? Producing similar gametes, that is called homogametic. If the organism produce different gametes means that is called heterogametic. Next, we have to study the mechanism of sex determination. Okay, based on the mechanism, the individuals can be classified into four types: X, X0 type, XY type, Z0 type, ZW type. Okay, based on the sex determination, the mechanisms can be classified into mainly four types. What are they? X0 type, XY type, Z0 type, ZW type. Here, these first two types are called female male heterogamety. Okay, these first two types are called male heterogamety, and the remaining these two types are called female heterogamety. Okay. What is the meaning of heterogamety? If an organism produces different types of gametes means that is called heterogamety. Here males produce different types of gametes, so these two types are called male heterogamety. Here the females produce different types of gametes, that is called female heterogamety. Okay, first we have to study XX, X0 type of sex determination. XX, X0 type of sex determination. Mainly it is present in grasshopper. Okay, in this type of sex determination, females have a pair of X chromosomes. Okay, females have a pair of X chromosomes and the males have only one X chromosome. Males have only one X chromosomes. Actually here this 0 type, here nothing is, Y chromosome is absent here, that's why it is mentioned as 0. Here this male, actually when the fusion will occur, what will happen? Here this X chromosomes able to produce two types of sperms. Okay, two types of sperms. here 50% of the sperms consist of this X chromosomes. Okay, 50% of the sperms consist of this X chromosomes. Remaining 50% without X chromosomes. So 50% consist of X chromosomes. Remaining 50% X chromosomes. Okay, when cross occur, what will happen? Here male, female. Female, a pair of X chromosomes present. Here only one X chromosomes present but two types of gametes. Here when fusion occur, what will happen? Here XX, X serotype. XX means female. This one considered as what? Male. So X fertilized by sperm having an X chromosome become females. X fertilized by sperm without X chromosome become males. That's the meaning for this cross. Okay. And the next type, XX, XY type. XX, XY type. Okay, it is mainly present in Drosophila and mammals including human beings. Drosophila, mammals including human beings. Here actually the number of chromosomes same here. Okay, both male and females have same number of chromosomes. Here also the females carry 2 X chromosomes and the males carry 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosomes. Okay, females carry pair of X chromosomes and the males carry 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosomes. Here this autosomes also present, isn't it? Autosomes means body chromosomes, that also same in number. Sex chromosomes as well as body chromosomes same in number. Here one thing we have to imagine, actually X chromosomes are larger in size compared to Y chromosomes. Y chromosomes are smaller in size. Based on their morphological size, shape, it is smaller in size. Actually X chromosomes are larger in size. You know, for the cross, when the cross occur, what will happen? Here females, here males. So here XY, 50% of the characters carried with the help of X chromosomes and the other 50% carried with the help of Y chromosomes. Okay, when fusion occur, here what will happen? Here 2 X chromosomes join together and form a female child, and 1 X chromosome and 1 chromosome if joined, we can get the male child. Okay, this is the phenomenon of XS and XY type of sex determination. Okay, and the next one, actually these two types are together called male heterogamety. Why? Because it consists of two types of gametes. Isn't it? Male consists of two types of gametes. One is the X gametes and other one is the Y gametes. And the third one is for Z serotype. Mainly it is present in butterflies. It is present in butterflies. Here you can imagine for here males. Males have Z chromosomes and the females have Z serotype of chromosomes. Okay, so this males have called homogametic and the females have heterogametic. And the final type is ZW type. It is mainly present in birds, reptiles and fishes. Okay, it also consists of the same number of autosomes as well as the sex chromosomes. But here, what is the difference? Here, the males have gomogametic EZ chromosomes, and the females have heterogametic EZW chromosomes. So, this is considered as for female heterogametic type of sex determination. Okay, in this type, I think female heterogametic type, the sex is determined with the help of females only, because females carry two types of chromosomes. One is EZ and other one is W. So, sex is determined with the help of females only. But the first two types, sex is determined with the help of sperms, because sperms consist of two types of chromosomes. One is X and other one is the Y. Thank you.